Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to discuss about research save life, how research affect our life, how it become innovative and so interesting, so fantastic. For example, like history of diabetes. तो आइए हम देखते हैं डायबिटीज की हिस्ट्री क्या है। 1550 में बिफोर कॉमन इरास, करंट इरास, एंशिएंट इजिप्ट, this was documents known as Eber Papyrus. It was given by George Ebers. Now it is currently present in Leipzig University. Leipzig University, it is a Germany university that was established in 1409. After that, 5th century comes. In 5th century, Indian and Greece, in which that term used madhunia, means honey urine. This was determined by when they see that bees or ants are attracted towards urine due to presence of specialized like sweetness. In 2nd century, that was also comes in Greek and Rome. That was Aratus of Cappadocia. They assign their said that it is symptoms like flesh and limbs are melt. After that, this is a travel go forward like medieval period. From in medieval period, no effective treatments were discovered. Nor were not any specialized diagnosis material was discovered that currently in medieval period was diagnosed by tasting the urine. In 1675, British and Thomas Willis that utilized term mellitus known as honey sweet. That was confirmed by mellitus and to differentiate from insipidus known as salty sugar. In 1776, confirmed sweetness that it is caused due to the presence of glucose. In 19th century, Claude Bernard they determined that the role of liver is in glucose, either it is disturbed or not, either it is mutated. The liver role in glucose is play a very major role. So this was history of diabetes. That is so easy. You can easily understand by from that to this sketch. This is so easy. So now we are going to discuss about types of diabetes. There are two types, ancient types and innovative types. In ancient types that was discovered more years ago like sweet or mellitus, salty or insipidus. The mellitus diseases occur happen due to issues in pancreas, while salty or insipidus disease occur due to problems issue in posterior pituitary glands. In same way, in vice versa, innovative types means that is discovered by research like type 1, type 2, MODY and minor types. In type 1, which is which mechanism is happen like autoimmune, it is start to engulfing their own particles, their own cells, destroying their own cells. It run in the family known as familial and it is genetic based. It is must memorize it that one parents must be affected of diabetes, like either it is mother or father. In similar way, type 2, this is glucose conversion of glucagon. That is, disease happen due to the problems in misfolded proteins like amyloid or prion proteins. Diseases happen in brain known as Alzheimer. This is disease that is memory loss in elder peoples, like whose age is more than 40 years. That is occur due to thiourea. This is symptoms of that disease. In similar way, MODY. This is disease it occur in youth. That is top trending diabetes happening in youth generation years young peoples. That is mostly happen due to eating junk food like burger, like sandwich, and other junk food like pizza and other minor types that are currently discovered. So these was types of diabetes. What are the causes of diabetes? There are two major causes. One is genetic and other is environmental. There are a number of symptoms of diabetes. Polydipsia, in which high thirst means patient feel more thirsty. And polyphagia, that is high hunger, means the more
الله
hungry
أكبر
they will want to eat food.
الله
Polyuria
أكبر.
is high urination is happen, means the more urinated. Normal range after fasting is 65 to 99 mg over dl. Normal range after 2 hour eating means random glucose test, that is 200 mg over dl. So these are the mechanism causes and symptoms of diabetes. In the same way, that what is the mechanism or process in which diabetes is happen. For example, is when the blood glucose level is increased. Viscosity will also increase. That pressure will occur, will force on the sensory vessels, sensory cells. Then it will comes to the spinal cord. After that, it will go into brain, where the parts of brain is hypothalamus that send signal, that send hormones into stereopituitary glands, which store hormones and will release hormones like ADH. It will go to the target site of nephrons. Nephrons basically are unit of kidney. The target of ADH are collecting duct that will intake water more and more. Then in resultant that there will concentrated urine will be formed. So this is very simple mechanism that is happened. So in this lecture we shall know about how glucose comes in our body. First step is food. We eat food through mouth. Then it will comes into digestive tract. That it will comes into different convert into different types of components like for example A, B, and C. Through the villi of small intestine, it will transported by there are two types of transporter. One is blood and other is lymphatic system. In blood, which material go into blood that deliver so fast? The material substance that comes into lymphatic system, their delivery is slow as compared to blood. Then it will comes into the cells, the number of types or different types of cells that is just a sign like that diagrams, that it will convert glucose into carbon dioxide as 2O energy. And this energy is utilized for metabolism and number of other mechanisms that are happening in our body. That was so easy concept.